ahead.
So today's April 29th, 2026 at Robert Davidson's house on Ballymore. This is going to be a repair attempt on a 3-tab shingle. It's approximately 54 degrees on the front slope. So I have the shingle marked out end to end, and we'll attempt to get this shingle out and do a repair. See this? Come in here. That was really gentle. We have mat transfer from the bottom shingle. The shingle cracked. Can you see it okay here? I'll lift it up some more. Yep, mat transfer with the shingle torn underneath. So now we'll try to get back out so you can see the whole shot. Now we have to break the 2 courses up above, so I'll mark those out. So this is here, so 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. More mat transfer on this one, Brandon. I'm going to show that. Mat transfer from the seal line. You can see the bottom shingle is torn around the seal. These shingles have had a good seal. Their nails are not rusty. Nice galvanized finish. So go back out. More mat transfer on this one. So right there we have the shingle in question that's being repaired. We have underlying shingle mat transfer, shingle on top of mat transfer, so three spots here, here so far. So now we have to get the nails along here unfastened so we can slide this up. This is still attached. So we've successfully, well, I wouldn't say successfully, but we've removed the shingle. You can get a clear view of the damage on this one. We want to get a shot of this, Brandon. The mat ripped out. So now we'll take this tab. This shingle is tore. This shingle tore trying to break the seal.